Hello,
Hey, hi, bro. Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. What about you, bro?
Okay, I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty.
Okay, good. Uh, which part are you living in India?
Okay, northeast part in India,
Northeast past.
northeast India,
And which place?
Assam.
Assam.
Yes, Assam state.
Okay, okay, Assam. Okay, very nice. Tell me about your place.
Okay, if I talk about in my place, so brother, actually time actually off.